Certainly, smoothies are a fantastic way to boost your nutrient intake. Here are some delicious and healthy smoothie recipes you might enjoy. High protein smoothie. These creamy delights are sure to keep you refreshed and focused until lunchtime. Recipes like the mango almond smoothie bowl and anti-inflammatory cherry spinach smoothie contain at least 15 grams of protein per serving, leaving you feeling full and satisfied. One immune-boosting smoothie. Try the mango ginger smoothie or the pineapple green smoothie for an immune-boosting start to your day too. Forever favorites. Use ripe bananas for a creamy Greek yogurt, spinach, and pineapple smoothie. Add chia seeds for healthier omega-3 fats, fiber, and extra protein grease. Remember to customize these recipes to your taste preferences and dietary needs. Enjoy your nutrient-packed smoothie